Hello and welcome to the screencast about the semantic search for GFBio. This video is about how you can use this service and what advantages it brings for your own work and research. In general, semantic is the study of meaning, reference, or truth. It deals with what is denoted by a word. Here we offer the search combined with terminologies. The semantic search can expand search queries to synonyms in scientific or common names, translation in other languages when the given query is not specific enough or even too specific. So when you search for a specific term, it can include more relevant results but can take a longer processing time. To use the semantic search, you have to click on the search icon on the GFBio welcome page. The semantic search can be used by clicking on Semantic Search or pressing Enter. Please note that at the moment it is still the beta version. When searching for earthworms, for example, there are 164 entries. Earthworm includes earthworm, Oligoceta and Lumbricidae, so it also will yield results with the scientific names, respectively, in this case, the subclass and family, so that we can explore more of datasets and expand the search queries. Using the regular search, earthworms yields only 16 entries in total, so please feel free to try out our semantic search. Our green feedback button is always happy to collect your users' experience as we're constantly improving our services. It will lead you to this form. Here you can contact us and send us your feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video by GFBio.